Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock Raspberry Frosted Pancake recipe on the Winter Frost event. First, make sure you already have the penguin stove like this, because Raspberry Frosted Pancake can only be cooked using this stove. And if you don't know how to craft this stove, you can check the link in the description for the full tutorial. And then next, make sure you already have the original frosted pancake recipe. You can get this recipe from Massimo, and after that just tap on your stove like this and then open the recipe, this one, and then next just tap on and then just replace the fruit ingredient to raspberry like this, and then next just simply tap on start cooking. And okay, like this. Once the cooking is finished, you will unlock the new winter frost recipe, raspberry frosted pancake. Usually there will be a special animations for the first time you successfully unlock this recipe, but in my case the animations doesn't appear because I have already unlocked it before like this. I have already I already have it. This one, this recipe. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.